You've been paying it. Every month. The minimum. Sometimes a little extra. And you pull up the balance, and it has barely moved. 12 months of payments, and the number looks almost exactly the same as when you started. I know this feeling because I ran it myself, making payments that felt significant, watching a number that refused to respond. My name is Jasper, and if you have $10,000 in debt that is not moving, this is the exact 12-month sequence out. Subscribe if you want the exit, not another explanation of how compound interest works. Here is what is actually happening. Minimum payments are not designed to eliminate debt. They are designed to service it. At 22% interest on a $10,000 balance, a minimum payment of $200 per month covers approximately $183 in interest and $17 in principal. $17. That is what the balance moves. That is why it feels like nothing is changing, because structurally, almost nothing is. I call this the minimum payment trap. It is not a math failure on your part. It is the mathematical design of the product you're holding. The exit is not willpower. The exit is a different sequence applied to the same income. 6 steps, this order, starting this month. Step 1. Get the real number. List every debt you carry, balance, interest rate, minimum payment. Not an estimate, the exact current balance from today's statement. Most people know approximately what they owe. Approximately is the enemy of a 12-month plan. Step 2. Rank by interest rate, highest first, not by balance size, not by emotional weight, by interest rate. The debt costing you the most per month gets targeted first. This is called the avalanche method. The math on it over 12 months outperforms every other sequence. Step 3. Find $200, not from sacrifice, from audit. Pull your last 60 days of bank statements. Identify every recurring charge under $30. The average person finds $80 to $220 in forgotten or low-value automation. Cancel what you don't actively use. That recovered money does not go to lifestyle. It goes directly to the top debt. Step 4. Make one payment per week, not one per month. This is the step most people skip because it feels administrative. It isn't. On a $10,000 balance at 22% interest, switching from one monthly payment to 4 weekly payments reduces total interest paid by approximately $340 over 12 months. Same annual amount, different timing, different math. Step 5. Every windfall goes to the top debt first. Tax return, work bonus, sold item, birthday money. All of it. One target, not spread, not saved for something else. One target until it reaches 0. Step 6. When the first debt clears, redirect its full payment to the next one. Not to spending, not to savings, to the next debt on the list. This is called the debt avalanche roll. The payment amount stays constant. The debt it attacks changes. The acceleration compounds. Here's the honest part. Month 3 will feel slow. You will be making real payments and the number will still feel large. That is not the sequence failing. That is the sequence working exactly as it should. Month 7 is when the acceleration becomes visible. Stay through month 3. At 22% interest on $10,000, every month this sequence doesn't start costs you approximately $183 in guaranteed interest you will never recover. Not an estimate, the math on your current balance. This month. The sequence is 6 steps. Step 1 begins today.